We're waiting for the blue jays. Well, we have a little finch. They're not afraid of me at all. Well, actually, the blue jays aren't either. We'll just sit here real quietly and see if any of them will fly down. Get a little closer view of that bird feeder. Oh, there's the finches. Those are finches that you see on there right now. You can hear Larry's bird call in the background, maybe. Here, I'll get Mr. Squirrel. There he is. He's a rascal. He's a real rascal. We'll go back to the bird feeder. Squirrels are glorified rats. Well, the blue jays decided that they didn't like this little purple camera, so they flew away. But there were a lot down there about 5 minutes ago. Okay, here we go.